For the land he loved in this worn-out town. The fields are still green, but the hearts turn to stone. Empty chairs by the fire where the young ones have gone. Mothers still weep for the sons they can't hold. Dreams of tomorrow buried deep in the cold. Oh, carry me home to the hills I once knew, where the rivers run free and the skies are still blue. Though the fight took my youth and it broke